It's an autumn walk through Central Park, entering on the East 59th Street area, a November 13th autumn look. We still have some of the color on the trees, but definitely more on the ground. We've already had Halloween, Election Day, and Veterans Day in the Big Apple. The Rockefeller Center Christmas tree is already up, but the Thanksgiving Day parade has yet to happen. So it's that transitional period of autumn into winter in the Big Apple. And if you are taking a visit, we have already had the New York City Marathon. That's actually the best weekends to see autumn color in the Big Apple. But there's still, some to be enjoyed when it comes to autumn in Central Park. And that is a quick evening view of some of the remaining colors in the Big Apple. Now let's see some of the skyline as we light up the night. Till next time, from ever beautiful New York loves fall.